Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to write an effective Amazon product title. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, when it comes to Amazon, your product title can make or break a sale. Here's how to create a standout title that gets noticed. Start with your brand name and what your product is, followed by its key features. Make it clear and easy to understand. Include relevant details like color, size, and any unique aspects that set your product apart. Use tools like Helium 10 to find popular keywords that customers are searching for and integrate them naturally into your title. Keep it concise and within Amazon's guidelines, under 200 characters and free of promotional language. Test different versions to see what resonates best with your audience. A strong title can significantly boost your product's visibility and sales. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.